Hey, welcome back to Cocktails and Cribs. It's been a little while since we made a video, and judging by your lack of comments, you've really missed us.
Lack of comments.
Lack of comments. Don't worry, I don't take it personally, it's okay. But we're back and we're making a new video, and today we're in the northeast community of Coventry Hills in Calgary, and we're making a cocktail that had its heyday in the 60s and 70s, and this kind of disappeared a little bit from most menus nowadays. And that cocktail, it's called the Rusty Nail.
Rusty Nail, bring it back.
So the Rusty Nail is a cocktail that we think was invented in the 30s. It's got 2 ingredients. There's lots of recipes on how to make it, so it depends on your preference. We've got Scotch and we've got Drambuie. And if you don't know what Drambuie is, it's actually derived from Scotch and then has a heathered honey fortification to it, so it becomes more of a liqueur. So the ratios when you're making the Rusty Nail are really up to your preference. It's very common to do 2 parts Scotch, 1 part Drambuie.
My preference is a lot.
We're not going to hold back. We're going to go 2 and 1 because that's the way I build mine. This is a stirred cocktail. We don't have any citrus or any kind of other elements, just liquor. So let's start with our Drambuie. We'll do 1 ounce of Drambuie. And then to that, we're going to add 2 ounces of our blended Scotch. I highly recommend using a blended Scotch. If you use a malted Scotch, it might be a little too much for this drink. Grab some ice, stir for about 30 seconds. So now the reason why we stir cocktails is to bring some dilution to the drink, especially something as strong as this, just to make it a little bit more enjoyable. So give it a good stir for 30 seconds. Let that ice dilute the drink. Today, we're in the north community of Coventry Hills in Calgary, and we're at 55 Covington Rise Northeast. Take a look. I'm really excited about this house. I don't think it's going to last very long. If you're interested, send me a personal message. Watch for it on the market ASAP. Get your Hawthorne strainer ready. Just pour it into your glass. Welcome back, Rob.
Again. Thank you.
Missed you.
It has been a little while since
It has been a spell, yes. You're in a hurry. Have you had a Rusty Nail before?
I just want to smell it because I was smelling it when you were making it.
It is a very pleasant aroma, that is for sure.
I haven't had this combination. I've had Drambuie on its own, and I like the sweetness of it.
I prefer not to have a peaty, smoky Scotch in a Rusty Nail. When you have the blended Monkey Shoulder, it's a lot more mild compared to those.
We did one with Scotch a little while back where you floated something peaty with it.
Yeah.
What was that one again?
The penicillin.
Yeah.
That's a great one.
That was a good combination, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome back to us.
Thank you again.
That's really good.
This is the way to bring a listing to market, I have to say.
Lots of flavors. The lemon at the end is very nice. You pick up on the honey in the Drambuie, which is really good.
The sweetness out of the Drambuie as opposed to adding a syrup it's a smoother way to enjoy the cocktail, I would say.
Definitely. I can tell we made Rob very upset with our cocktail choice yet again this time.
Ah! How could you?
That's the Rusty Nail. Give one a try for yourself. Let us know what you think of it. I'm always eager to hear what people think of the cocktails. And sometimes when I'm having discussions with people, they're like, yeah, I tried that last cocktail you made and it was fantastic.
I thought you were going to say, and I hated it.
I haven't had anyone not like anything. So
yeah, you don't pick bad ones, I got to say.
Wow.
I've enjoyed.
Eventually, you figure we're going to have to, right?
I don't think we should do it just because.
Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Really helps the channel.
We got Christmas season coming up here.
That's true. That's true. Last Christmas.
Special edition.
Last Christmas we made the Brandy Alexander, which you can watch if you click up here. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching. See you later.
On Cocktails and Cribs. That's my line. You can't steal my line.
I didn't steal it. I just omitted it altogether.
Neglected it completely.
Fine. See you next time on
Cocktails and Cribs.
Just always gets it, even when I don't. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.